We turn focus to the other big story that's brewing right here in New Delhi, even though it's actually originated in the United States. There are uneasy truths and they seem to be having a ripple effect right here in India about Walmart. In a notice to the Senate, the Walmart has said that it spent about $25 million on lobbying since 2008 to get an India entry. Owing to those statements, there has been a big ruckus in Parliament over that very uneasy disclosure. The opposition asserts that the confirmation has been made that bribes were paid and the government must probe into the matter. The government, meanwhile, asserts that Walmart lobbied in the US and not India. More details in this report.
The writing is on the wall for the world's largest retailer, Walmart. India has just opened the floodgates for FDI and retail, but the controversy is far from over. 24 hours after Walmart admitted to spending close to $25 million for lobbying to enter India, the opposition that just lost the FDI battle had one more opportunity to take on the government once again.
If lobbying was going for the last 4 years, what action were taken to those who were front of Walmart company? Who were the middlemen in this whole transaction?
The left too demanding a probe into the matter.
What we are saying is Walmart itself says it has spent this money. There are cases of corruption in the courts. So you have an independent inquiry into it.
Meanwhile, the government is unfazed by the allegations. It says the company only lobbied with the American senators and not Indian leaders.
Given that there is a law in America that doesn't allow people, American companies, to be using money in an unwholesome manner, and I think that's an internal inquiry, and if something comes of it, I'm sure that'll be available to us as well.
The report suggests that Walmart had been lobbying continuously since 2008, but the mandatory disclosure in the US Senate could not have been more ill-timed for a government that did all to ensure a Walmart next door. Add to that charges of a probe into bribery for its Indian arm. All doesn't seem to be well with Walmart. Bureau Report, ET Now.
Lobbying is not a bad thing, provided you are talking. It's a public relations campaign to get something which you believe in through. So I don't know the details of it, so I won't comment in this particular case. But clearly, lobbying to get an objective done is not good, provided it's legal and above board.
All right, those are uneasy truths, and I think the government, if